JD's Garden Supply. JD's Garden Supply. We're gonna go do a walk-in right now, guys. Check out the parking. Alright, walking in here. As you can see, they got all the silicas, the Power SI. We got your Boost humidity packs. Oh, we got our recharge, the Grow Dots even. Wow. I've heard about these on Dude Grows Crew. You know what? I'm gonna buy one today. Yep, let's take a look around. This is the nutrients I use here. Yep, these right here. Oh, they got root builder. I might need to get one of those. Wow. Yeah, it's a big one though. But anyway, they got ProCal. So I use the resin, the hydrofuel bloom, and the root builder, and the Vita Thrive. Sorry, I'm stumbling on my words. Just grab a couple of these. Gotta have your Azos and Mycos. I'm gonna set these at the counter. See, there's the Power SI right there. They got a lot of CO2 dual regulators, all the equipment you need. And actually, I need a shot glass for measuring. I'll get that when I come back up. Alright, let's walk through again. This place is big and I don't want to leave my dog in the car too long. pH up, pH down, CalMag, everything you need. Bud Candy, Micro, it goes all the way back, guys. I'm gonna do a quick tour real quick now. Basically, everything you need is in here. Hey, buddy. We got your cocoa. We got your cleanse. We got your bloom. Terra Flores. Alright, that's this aisle. Psychonutrients. Oh, here's your dry amendments. All your dry amendments for your super soils. Oh, these pumps are very helpful. I have one myself. And then back here is just more soil and more pots. I probably won't get into here too crazy, but more pots, more. Look at all these LEDs. Brand new. Good price LEDs. Wow, look at the whole palette of LEDs. Hurricane fan. Tornado category inline fan. Yep, and they got all your rock wool and everything you need. Oh, look at these LEDs. Wow. I wonder how much those LEDs are. I'm gonna go ask. And how much are these LEDs? Do you know? Do you speak English? You speak English? No. Okay. And then also back here, they got all your B12, all your B12 nutrients, supplements, all your fittings, everything you need. Sensi soil. Alright guys, we're gonna end the video here. I got everything I need. Yep, and then the best IPM in the game. This is the best IPM section that you can ever come across. They got everything. Dead bug. They got, oh, I need a kit for the sticky aphids. Oh, I need the wrong ones. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here. Oh.